fish?
Oh yeah, look right there.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, I'm gonna catch that one.
They do stock it at some time of the year, but I don't know if they're doing that anymore.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a wonderful day. I want to take a
Dude, there is fish over here.
We just got to Yosemite. We dropped off all of our stuff in Curry Village, got a nice parking spot right up at the front, and then obviously we can't check into our cabin until a little bit later. I wasn't ready yet, so we decided to take a little trip. We hopped on the shuttle to housekeeping camp. We're at housekeeping camp beach right now, and this guy,
I got an SS minnow, laser 3000 minnow. And then we're gonna try to catch some trout today.
let's go. Let's see if this guy gets lucky. I feel so bad he didn't catch anything when we were home in Hawaii, so I'm really hoping one of these trout. No, I said I felt bad that you didn't get anything in Hawaii.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape.
I know I don't seem like a nature girly, but I actually can be pretty naturey. Is that even a word, naturey? I don't know. I just love the outdoors. Certain outdoors I really enjoy and like. It really just depends. But here's the beautiful open wedding lawn at the Aulani. I see a little bridge over there, so I kind of want to go take a peek and see what's over here at this bridge. Oh, it's kind of just a bike trail. Oh, never mind. I see people going over. Okay, well, here's a nice little wedding lawn here in Yosemite at the Aulani. What a beautiful place to get married. Background?
The amount we had to do to get this pizza.
What? What the fuck is this road need to do?
We're gonna hop on this table and try to snatch shit. Dude, squirrels aren't like that. This is not a normal fucking squirrel. But you better bounce, boy. Before I start throwing rocks at your dumbass.
I mean, you saw, like, the whole valley. We just didn't really stop and get off and, like, look at the waterfalls or anything yet. But the buses go till 10.
So what are we... Can we take this pizza inside our cabin? Or? Oh, you can? It's only when you have a tent?
A bear could easily claw through that. God, it's so much nicer and quieter. It gets noisy over there in like those tents.
Fucking people are everywhere.
This is why we came early. You're welcome.
Should we tell them about our experience today?
About what?
About the fucking shuttle driver and this dumbass squirrel that's about to fucking get these hands.
What girl?
The squirrel.
Oh.
Looking over here eating leaves.
We get to the Aulani.
That's
We're
what I
trying to
just
get
said.
off of the shuttle. The shuttle
what I
is
just
super
said.
packed. Before me and you can even exit, the bus driver starts closing the doors and is almost about to drive away, the shuttle driver. And everybody...
He did shut the doors.
He did shut the doors. And then so everybody, we were all like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Like, some more people are still getting off. And this fucking piece of shit fucking shuttle driver, we should have got his fucking name, literally has the audacity to be like, okay, well, hurry up and get off. We don't have all day. sir, like literally, it's people are packed in sardines. People are trying to maneuver around people to get out of the freaking shuttle, and you're fucking. He literally stopped for like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Like fucking asshole.
And then I was walking to his door, and I can see him in the rearview mirror looking at me. And then he shut the door hella fast. I was just gonna be like, bro, what the fuck is your problem?
I literally yelled at him, and I was like, fucking asshole. He's just hoping for crumbs.
Yeah, he's hoping for these hands. He better get a rock to his eye. Welcome to my crib. Flex on him one time.
Hi, welcome to our cabin here in Yosemite Village. I know this doesn't seem like very much to some people, but trust me, this is a pretty sweet cabin because guess what? Nowhere in Yosemite Valley, like in the valley, if you're staying in Yosemite Valley, in the village, every accommodation is going to be old or like dated. They don't have like modern or like updated stuff. This is a little updated, like the floors are kind of updated. There's like a nice heater, but we have 2 double beds.
You should see where other people are staying at right now.
Go show them after. So you have, look at, honestly, these beds are pretty sweet. Like, not even gonna lie. And I bet you my sister's, when my sister's watching this, I know when my sister's watching this, she's gonna be like, what the fuck? How come we had to stay in the fucking canvas tents when we went to Yosemite? Yes, bitch. They have these cute little cabins.
We're doing all right in life, I guess.
Papa,
I would say so.
Papa didn't want to spend an extra $100 to get us a cabin, so we had to stay in the cabin.
We can keep our food in here.
No, well, we got lucky. See, look, you have a nice. What? Why do you always do that? He just broke his fucking. Okay, you have like a nice, like.
Oh, my mom taught me that.
You have a nice shower. Like, honestly, like, you have your own shower, your own bathroom. Why do you always do that?
God damn it, dude.
You have electricity. You have charging ports. There's, like, a lot of charging ports. They do have some of these, like, updated, like, little, like, light fixtures. And then also, you get this really nice... sorry, all of our shit is in here, but you get this really nice walk-in closet space, and then they also give you like extra blankets up there, but we won't be using those. We bought our own. But anyways, yeah, this is our cabin tour, and we're very happy with it.
All right. Mental vibes, guys. She got on her Lex Breezy's finest. Damn.
It's actually Lex Breezy and Teal.
What did I say?
Give my girl Teal some credit, okay?
What did I say?
Just Lex Breezy.
I said Lex Breezy's finest.
Lex Breezy.
We in the woods with it. Lower Yosemite Falls. John Muir the woodcutter. Yeah, this is crazy right here. Made it out of the falls. Back to the shuttle we go. Crazy. This is very spoiled camping. I have burgers and french fries at a bar. Very good though. It's a smash burger
at bar 1898.
We're gonna go rafting right after that.
I got Babe a little snacky too right here.
They have like a special sauce in there.
Looks good. Can I have a little bite?
Yeah.
Oh,
That was good.
Oh, spicy.
Is it?
Perfect. We have 30 minutes before our orientation meeting. This is perfect.
Really? Shit. I better hurry up then.
Yeah, I know. We're fucking taking
Okay, bye.
Wait.
I'll just get out of the we're drifting.
Okay, go. Switch the same hand. Go.
Alright.
I was fishing. Okay.
Alright.
Go right. Or you go left side.
What's up, boys?
I mean, am I an okay captain?
Yeah, you're a great captain.
Thank you. Cold.
Cheers, YouTube. We might bump you, sorry. Just a little heads up, we might bump.
That's fine, just a little heads up, we're headed straight to you.
Uh-oh. Sorry. Oh. Oh fuck, this is hilarious, dude. Look at that log. Hey, my bada. Sorry, bro. Yes, Excuse me, is this swinging bridge? Okay, thank you. Oh, our journey's ending. Look at how beautiful this is. Say hi to the vlog. Is the camera on you?
Thank you.
Thanks, bro.
Well, so you guys can take the shuttle back to the valley, and then or back to like the little visitor area, and then just bike down, walk down, anything like that.
Okay.
There's bike paths all the way to it.
We can't just like walk from here.
Oh, you can, but you might have to wait for another shuttle, which might be another 20.
Because if we get on the rafting shuttle is going to take us all the way back to Curry Village. If we get back on the regular shuttle, does it drop off right here at Swinging?
Yeah, but I would just walk instead of wait for the shuttle.
Just walk?
Yeah.
Is it just like up this way and just go around? Okay.
But we are gonna have you guys. You can leave all your stuff in here for now. There's gonna be a handle in the front and the back.
Okay.
Well, I catch these other rafts if you guys don't mind dragging this up.
Yeah.
We'll just follow along this little curve here. There's gonna be a
Okay.
There's a bunch of boats in it for y'all.
Okay. Let me get that, babe.
Yeah, you get it. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, he's...
Oh, I thought we had to drag it all the way over there.
Oh yeah, of course you do.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Okay. You want me to
To
get...
help all these people.
You want front or back?
Actually, friends,
Yeah, I was gonna say that seems hard, man. Nice little walk to the swinging bridge. Swinging bridge, right?
Swinging bridge.
Swinging bridge. How's that? A nice view of the waterfall on the way to the wilderness. Bumbleclap. Me turn up the rhythm at Swinging Bridge. Me get me water, me get me beer, me get chicken sandwich for me tum-tums. Yes, sir. It's running out of water, babe. Before our eyes. Let me. It's all good. Just let Uncle go over there and make them wet. Look at that. It's drifting. It's running out of water. I don't think so. I don't feel no wind. Holy shit. She tried talking with my accent.
Driving by holes in my sunburned lips to tackle.
We ain't got to go nowhere.
Oh my god, he's crazy.
High-rise might be nice, might be pretty, but no, I keep my roots in the country. Country boy, where everything wild and free. You know I keep down in the valley where the river can flow. I get the feeling feeling that the people don't know. And this is the
How was it?
Bad thing is
your mind free.
Look at all the mama and her son. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They're so cute. Do I need to record this or no?
Meadow Grills. Alright, get a burrito. And she's gonna get a quesadilla. Yes, ma'am. Alright, Meadow Grills. We got
Mexican food, actually.
red rice.
Rice, salsa. There's a bag of chips, of tortilla chips.
chips.
I got a carnitas quesadilla.
Oh, that's carnitas?
Yeah, it's a carnitas quesadilla.
And a chicken burrito. Alright. Let's get it cracking.
I hope this is okay. I mean, it looks good.
Oh, that's my saucy.
Oh, I didn't get sour cream for my quesadilla, babe.
Why didn't you add?
I forgot. Let me try this and see if I like it without.
Let's bite into this. Let's see what's happening. How come mine isn't?
Mmm.
My burrito was just sitting in there, dude. Is yours hot?
Mm-hmm.
Lucky. Mmm.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I had sour cream.
Go up there.
Can you go get babe a side of sour cream, please?
There's a line though.
Can I just get it on the side? It wasn't in my burrito.
God damn it. YouTube.
Ew, that's hella watery.
Yeah, that's what
Wait,
I'm
let me
saying.
see. Oh, no, it's
That's
not bad.
thick.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's not bad.
YouTube. Whatever this girl wants, it goes. Trust me. I got her.
No, because he's just scared to get bitched at.
No, I got her, alright?
You know, he's just scared.
No, no one's scared.
He don't want to wake up in the morning
I've
with
never
you
been
yelling at him.
I'm not scared of a lot of things, just ghosts. That's about it. Ghosts and bears.
That's why I constantly have my TV on in the background when I sleep at night, because like otherwise, like if I wake up and it's like quiet and dark, I get scared. I guess I'm scared of the dark. Still, I guess I'm scared of the dark still. More quiet and dark.
This burrito's pretty good though.
Decent Mexican food, like the rice definitely does not have a whole lot of flavor. It's pretty bland. The quesadilla is good. Carnitas quesadilla is good. The salsas and the chips is pretty good. Decent. And it was $37.
I mean, think about it, Alberto's, they're kind of pricey now.
Yeah.
Let me try this sour cream.
Yeah.
She was like, what do you want? I could put it in a container. Yeah, that's basically what I was asking.
Like, yeah, we just want a fucking side.
You gotta give people a reason where they can't say no.
For what?
I went up there. I said, hey, we ordered sour cream, but it's okay. Like, you could just put it in a container if you want. Oh, yeah, I could put it in a container. Yeah. Perfect. That's what I'll do then. Puts it in a container. Hey, free sour cream. Yes,
The sour cream finesse. I think they did forget their sour cream, though.
No.
Barely. Decent.
It's good. I don't know where the chicken is, but
But do you feel like it's $37 worth?
if I'm camping and I ain't got to cook, 37 is very worth it.
I feel like this is a good amount of food. We're not going to waste any. I think the best thing that we've eaten so far was definitely
I think that's better than the pizza.
You think this is better than the pizza?
Yeah.
The pizza was really good. Pizza
It was really good.
decent, decent. The rice, skip the rice.
No, but when we was at the Swinging Bridge Beach, there's a park ranger out of nowhere that came up to us with a dog and said, "Hey, there's been some bear warnings. I'm just letting you know. I would keep the food and whatever drinks you have close to you." I bet.
And the meadow was like right behind us, and there was nobody else over there, so we were kind of like, "Oh, we're the first ones the bear's
I
gonna
was
see."
like, dude, where did this lady must have had to walk hella far to get to us. But hey, shout out to her. I got kind of spooked. Dude, it was so perfect timing when I went to grab ice.
What?
There was like a Polo guy who came up with like 2 cartons of ice. And I was like,
yeah.
bro, I was like, hey, can you just, is it cool if I just dump that in my cooler? I was like, yeah, how much do you need? And I was like, just to fill this up. There's already stuff in it. I was like, yeah, go ahead.
That's nice.
I was like, I don't want to put my hands in it. You mind if I just carry it and dump it in there? He was like, yeah. He was about to put his hands in there, that's why.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I was like, bro, you're going to feed that to people.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck? Like, he was already, like, about to put... I was like, hey, no. How about we just dump it in there? He was like, yeah, you could do that. I was like, yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh my god, people.
Yeah, I'm like, bro.
Ew, now I'm like worried about the food handlers.
Oh,
here.
yeah, no, 100%. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, his fingers was already in it.
Wait, don't even tell me that. See, that's why we shouldn't be drinking ice drinks. We should only be.
He wouldn't have done that if I didn't ask for ice.
Oh, he probably just wasn't thinking.
Yeah, he wasn't thinking. Like I was like, hey, don't do that. I was like, bro, people are watching. Oh man, look at this view. All right, YouTube. Gonna finish our food.
Having dinner in Yosemite with us.
Check back when we get to the cabin. We had to go to a different cabin.
But it's still nice.
We have no bath.
Yeah, but it's right next
No
door.
bathroom. But our cabin is right next to the showers and bathrooms, so bougie kind camping. We're spoiled.
We got spoiled last night. Last night they got a last minute cancellation and we got a cabin with a bath.
Our bank account might hurt a little bit, but we'll be alright.
Worth it. Worth
Camera's
it.
gonna die.
Yeah.